Hey everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to remove a blank page in Google Docs step by step. Blank pages can appear suddenly and mess up your document formatting, especially when printing or sharing. This full guide for 2026 will help you fix it quickly and properly. First, go to docs.google.com and open the document where the blank page appears. Scroll to the bottom or middle of the document and locate the empty page. Most blank pages are caused by hidden formatting issues. Click near the blank page and slowly move your cursor upward. Often there's an extra paragraph mark or invisible spacing pushing content onto a new page. It looks empty, but something is usually there. Place your cursor at the very top of the blank page. Press the backspace or delete key until the page disappears. This is the most common and easiest fix. If the page doesn't go away, look for a page break. Click just above the blank page and press delete. Page breaks are often added accidentally while editing. Sometimes line spacing is too large and forces text onto a new page. Select the text near the blank page. Go to Format, then Line and Paragraph Spacing, and reduce the spacing. If your document ends with a table, Google Docs may add a blank page automatically. Click inside the table, select the empty space after it, and reduce the font size or spacing. Tables are a very common cause of stubborn blank pages. Another fix is adjusting page margins. Go to File, then Page Setup, and slightly reduce the bottom margin. This can pull content back onto the previous page. Finally, scroll through the document to make sure the blank page is completely gone. Preview the document or switch to print layout to confirm everything looks clean. And yeah, that's how to remove a blank page in Google Docs step by step in 2026. If this guide saved you time and frustration, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.